Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Oh my god. Why you putting wolf? This store-bought Walmart brand wolf. This reboot wolf. This Netflix adaptation wolf.
Be afraid. My name, they call me Wolf of the Old South.
Oh my god. You did it, huh?
The old Deadeye.
The old dairy farm where they used to kill my brother.
This town is not big enough for the two of us.
Yeah. Die.
I attacked it and I still died.
Jump! Oh my god, dude. Okay.
Sure.
Bro! Wow. I don't know how that missed you. This game's complete. Yes!
This snipe would have been so
I got
sick.
so much skill, bro. If I keep losing with fire, I'm going off the curb.
Gonna up B off stage. It was a mistake, I swear.
Nah.
They call him Deadeye of the West.
What?
The seventh space.
What you talking about? They call me
Deadeye of the Milky Way. Be wary, traveler, for you may encounter him.
Who do you sound like?
Well, that is what the prophecy foretold.
Who do you? Oh my.
Oh, okay, I read that.
What is going on? You should not be this difficult to beat.
Why do you do that? That is a terrible option off stage.
It's not a terrible option. It's a great option.
Bro.
It gives ability and movement to the character.
I'm gonna do this move.
No,
it is like
no.
the move in my arsenal that has no range whatsoever, but I'm gonna go for it.
I'm the one-eyed master.
It's old Deadeye Jr. From southeast of the Milky Way.
He's the other one-eyed master. There are 7 in total. But 2 of them died last week.
Oops. Alright.
Oh, honey! Sogiruru, Nakira, no! Hai, Mizu! Mizu, Ruru! So much Mizu! Moo! Mizu! I'm Mizu! I'm about to clap them. Oh my god. I did 12 damage! Okay, nah, we ain't doing shit. I'm playing super different.
Wait!
We're having a rematch. We're not doing it. We're having a rematch. We're having a rematch. You already saw the kick out winning that match. I want a rematch.
Oh.
Yeah! I don't care. That's what you get. Kirby! Kirbi! I mean, wait, why? Why?
Huh?
Why? Kirbi. Wait, why?